What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I am Christina Lynn, and on today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing some cleaning. We're going to clean the living room up. I'm going to just do a quick refresh. I normally do this process like once a week at least, but since we did have the birthday party the other day, I still have a couple of birthday items that are left on the table, so I want to get everything cleared out and put back up and put into its place. In my home, I feel like everything has a home, and that is a method I have adapted to over the years. So since everything has a home, we're gonna put it in its home. Okay, all right, but that's about it, guys. I'm gonna let you all enjoy the video. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. All right, guys, I'm not gonna over talk it. I'm gonna let you enjoy the video, and I will see you in a minute.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Okay, and we are halfway done cleaning the living room. Everything is wiped down. I actually like to use the Zep glass cleaner on the tables as well as the sides of the tables because everything is mirrored. So I prefer to use Zep. Now there are some other brands, I'm sure, Windex, and maybe some other brands that I don't prefer. Zep would be my number one choice. So I'm not sure if you all use that or if you've ever heard of it. Comment below if you like Zep products. You can actually find their products primarily in Lowe's and Home Depot. I'm sure other stores probably carry them, but I've never seen them in there. But then again, I wasn't really looking for them. But yeah, here I am just wiping down the tables. These, for some reason, the mirrored, what I am noticing, they do tend to collect a lot of dust. So it's important to stay on top of that. That's why I try to wipe everything down at least once a week. Y'all let me know, do you try to keep down on the dust, or do you have any problem with dust in your home at all? I'm not really sure if it's just the mirrored items or if it's just dust in general. Y'all let me know. Comment below. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video as much as I have enjoyed sharing it with you guys. Don't forget to comment below if you want to be shouted out. We are doing 31 days of Vlogtober videos every day for the entire month of October. If you want to be shouted out, all you have to do is comment down below. I hope you have been inspired in some kind of way. I hope you did a clean with me instead of just watching me. Okay. But until next time, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. And yeah, happy cleaning.